guys, this is Meenal Pataria, founder of Creative Arts, and we are back again today with another video. And in today's video we are going to talk about one of the best selling products. Yes, that is personalized name and school labels. Yes guys, this is our best selling products because of the quality what we provide and the designs what we provide to our clients. Also, these can be customized for the shape and size of the labels. We have these in different types, like we have it in school labels, then the name labels in all sizes, for the bottles, even for the pencils, erasers, anything, like you can stick it on anything. And we have them in water resistant as well as non water resistant stickers, and we also have it in transparent and milky white sheet. And the clients can choose any design of their choice. We provide not one but multiple designs to the client until the client is satisfied with the result. And of course, also guys, we even have it for the containers in the kitchen as well, like you imagine and you get the design of the. And guys, we have iron-on labels as well. So all you have to do is just cut them and place it on the t-shirt of the child behind back side, and just iron on it, and it will get stuck on there. And this is very much in demand, as the school uniform to get misplaced in the school while going for the swimming or anything. So these labels are quite helpful. Look, so why wait, let's take a look at these labels. So guys, these are the labels which I am talking about, the personalized labels. Like here, the name labels, the child's photo along with the name, circular labels. These are the photo labels. Then these are the shoe labels as well, which we have, the left and the right one. Also we have theme wise labels. These are for the Christmas ones. Also we have gifting labels as well guys. You can just stick it on the gift with the child's name. And we even have color me labels, like you can even gift it to anyone and the child can even color the labels. Isn't it amazing guys? We also have these kinds of shoe labels with the design of the favorite cartoon character. And we have them in neon colors as well. And these are the iron-on labels which I am talking about. This comes in the cloth type sheet, which all you have to do is just cut it. And these does not come half cut because it's in the cloth material. So all you have to do is just cut it, keep it on the cloth and just iron it. And yeah, so aren't they amazing guys? So why wait? Get your order placed today. Get the name stickers of your child with their favorite cartoon characters right now and make them happy. Okay, so click the link in the description box and contact me right now. Until then, we'll be back with another video. Be safe and happy personalizing. Bye bye. To know more about our products, kindly click the link in the description box and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get the recent updates of the products. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notifications of further videos.